I am the king's daughter that sailed from Cappoquin in search of Lord Gregory. May God I find him. The rain beats at my yellow locks, and the dew wets me still. The babe is cold in my arms, love. Lord Gregory, let me in. Lord Gregory is not here, love, and I swear I can't be seen, for he is gone to bonny Scotland to bring home his new queen. Leave now those windows, and likewise this hall, for it's deep in the sea, love. You should hide your downfall. Who'll shoe my babe's little feet? Who'll put gloves on her hands? Who'll tie my babe's middle with an ivory clean band? Do you remember, Lord Gregory, those nights in Cappoquin when we both exchanged rings, love, and that against my will? Yours was pure silver, and mine was coarse tin. Yours cost a guinea, love, and mine but one pin. My curse on you, mother, and my curse would be sore, for I dreamed the lass of arms came knocking at my door. Lie down, you foolish son, lie down and sleep, for it was only a servant girl is lying in the deep. Go saddle up my black horse, the brown or the bay. Go saddle up the fastest horse I have in the stable this day. I'll ride over mountains and valleys so wide, till I find the girl that I love and lie by her side. Thank you very much.